What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be covering the Robinhood IPO live. So we can see the Hood IPO just it released a couple minutes ago, actually. So we're going to go over some key information, and we're going to be watching this price action live. So if we go to the 1 minute chart, it started trading right around $38 a share. The ticker symbol is HOOD. We can see in the first couple minutes of trading, it went as low as 35 and as high as 40. Looks like it's going all over the place right now. Like I said, this is a 1 minute chart, but I have some information to everyone just because I know that it's important to understand a little bit more about the the stock fundamentally. So I'm gonna be giving some statistics while we're watching this price action. But we can see that if we go to the quarter one revenue. This year, their quarter one revenue jumped from $128 million last year to $522 million this year. So that's obviously a huge jump. That's a 309% increase, which is awesome to see. Another important statistic or just fact to know about this is Robinhood collected $331 million for payment for order flow just in the first quarter. They collected $331 million. So obviously that's a huge moneymaker for them. And obviously they make a ton of money, and that's awesome. Whether you like Robinhood or you don't like them, they're making a lot of money doing what they do. And I know that they're expecting a net loss of around $500 million in Q2. But really, they're growing at a crazy pace, and there's a lot of mixed opinions on them. So, guys, let me know what you think about Robinhood. I know some people love them. I know some people hate them. But even if you hate them, what do you think about their IPO? Are you going to buy them? Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, they're making a ton of money with their payment for order flow. It's a huge part of their business, and they're trading right now at a $32 billion valuation, which is pretty crazy. One potential risk with this is the SEC is looking to regulate more of like the payment for order flow industry. So considering Robinhood makes a majority of their revenue for payment for order flow, if the SEC has some negative news with it or something like that, that obviously would not be good for Robinhood. So yeah, I mean, that's basically it. We're watching Robinhood IPO live right now. As of right now, it's down around 5%. I'm trying to see if there's any other major things. So yeah, I mean, they're also warning of a potential slowdown in their trading revenue for like the next couple months. Basically, like I said, they make a ton of their money from payment for order flow, and they're expecting a slowdown, so that should be priced in. And for those who don't understand what payment for order flow is, basically, I know there's like a lot of memes out there with Robinhood and how they have really bad fills. So basically all brokers nowadays do this. But, let's say a stock is at like $100 and you submit a market order to buy. You might get filled at like $100 and 5 cents, right? So you lose like 5 cents on that transaction, or like you just get filled like 5 cents higher, and Robinhood basically takes your order, sells it to other brokerage firms or market makers, and they profit off that way. So basically the more people are trading on Robinhood, the more, especially like with options and cryptos, the more Robinhood will make. Whenever you buy or sell on Robinhood, they're taking that order and selling it to like a market maker or like a high frequency trading firm. So that's how they make their money. Like I said, there's a lot of mixed opinions on Robinhood. Let me know if you guys are going to be buying this IPO. I'm thinking about it, but I don't know. I'm probably not going to pull a trigger. We can see it's falling a little bit right now. Maybe if it tanks off, maybe around like, I don't know, maybe 30 or like 25, I'll consider like a dip buy. But I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence because they have a very interesting business model. And yeah, I'm just kind of torn with it. We can see the SPYs breaking all-time highs right now as the IPO just went live. If we go back to Hood, let's see. If we go back to Hood, it's selling off. It's now down 7%. Uh-oh, lots of sellers coming in. Let's see. So like I said, they IPO'd right around $38. Right now they're sitting right around 35. There aren't too many support or resistance levels with this one. One thing to watch out for is, since this stock has only been live for like 10 minutes or so, like I said, there's not too many levels to go off of. However, normally there's pretty big walls of buyers and sellers at half and like whole dollar mark. So for example, we see a support right here at 35, and there will probably be a support at 30, 25, 20, and stuff like that. And just on the opposite side, we'll see resistance around 40, 45, 50, and there's even like minor walls around like you could say like 34, 33, 32, 31, and stuff like that. So just be on the lookout for that. We are currently down 7%, but yeah, I mean, it's definitely an interesting start to its trading history. And, I'm just very curious to see how this company evolves over time. I think that they have a lot of opportunities and ways to expand and grow their business. They have a lot more features that they can add to Robinhood. And I think the biggest thing for them would be to diversify their streams of income. Right now, the major stream of income for Robinhood is obviously that, the payment for order flow. So basically, the more people trade, the more money Robinhood makes. But I think if they could like expand their business in like different aspects, I think that would be a very nice relief for potential investors, because all it takes is for the SEC to have a hard crackdown on payment for order flow, and that can really, really impact Robinhood. So yeah, it looks like we're breaking lows right now on Robinhood, sitting right around $34.57. Obviously, they don't have options now because it just IPO'd, but the options should be added to Robinhood within a couple days. I think someone said like 5 trading days is when it's expected to have the options. But I don't know. I'm just very, very excited to see how it'll do. If we go to like a 5-minute chart, I'm going to see like how Interactive Brokers is doing. So it looks like they're not really affected by... and then here's Schwab too. They're not really affected too much by this Robinhood IPO. SPY's popping up, which is good. If we go back to Hood, yeah, it's just selling off right now. It's currently down 9%. Looks like a lot of sellers are coming in. So yeah, definitely be on the lookout for it. It's definitely on my watch list. Like I said, if it falls, I'll consider dip buying it. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you're investing into it, let me know in the comments down below. If you think it's going to crash and burn, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, thanks for watching.